If you've ever tried to create a clean, perfectly filled shape inside OneNote and found the drawing tools a little limited, don't worry. There's a simple workaround that works really well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill in a shape in OneNote using Microsoft PowerPoint so you can create solid circles, triangles, and even more advanced shapes with the exact color or gradient you want. This is a super useful trick if you want your notes to look more polished, more visual, and easier to organize. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You don't need to create a full presentation for this. We're just using PowerPoint as a quick design tool because it gives you much better control over shape fills than OneNote does on its own. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then click Shapes. From there, choose the shape you want to create. You can pick a circle, square, triangle, arrow, or any other shape that fits your note. After selecting your shape, click and drag on the slide to draw it out. If you want a perfect circle or square, hold down Shift while dragging so the proportions stay even. Once your shape is on the slide, it's time to fill it with color. Right-click on the shape and from the menu, choose Fill. Then select the color you want. You can choose a solid color, a theme color, or even explore more advanced fill options depending on the version of PowerPoint you're using. If you want a different look, you can also adjust the outline, transparency, or use a gradient fill for a more polished design. This is especially helpful if you want to match your notes, color code sections, or create visual labels. After your shape looks the way you want, right-click it again and choose Copy. Then go over to your OneNote page and paste it directly in. The shape will appear in OneNote with the fill you created in PowerPoint, giving you a much better looking result than trying to build it manually inside OneNote. You can then move it around, resize it, or place it alongside your notes, checklists, or diagrams. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other shapes too. For example, you can create multiple colored circles for a study guide, use triangles to show warnings or priorities, or make custom visual markers for project planning. The best part is that once you get used to this method, it only takes a few seconds to make professional looking shapes for OneNote. So if you've been wondering how to fill in a shape in OneNote, this is the easiest and most reliable method. Use PowerPoint to create and fill the shape, then copy and paste it into your notebook. It's quick, simple, and gives you much more flexibility. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more OneNote tips and tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.